This is our Mother's Day or Mom's gift card holder. Once you open your package, you're going to realize that there's three banners. There's a plain one, there's one that says Best Mom Ever, and one that says Best Grandma Ever. And then the plain banner, I guess you could fill in a name or whatever you'd like to say. And I'm going to start by painting the back of my tag and my square in Higgins Lake. The tag, I don't have to go all the way down. I'm going to use petal on the heart. And then on this banner, I just chose Best Grandma Ever. I'm going to use our snow owl. And then I'm going to take that snow owl and use it on that little round piece that goes around the whole of the tag. Now I'm going to go and fill the front of my tag with the Higgins Lake. You're going to allow everything to dry and you're going to give it a top coat. I like to use Rust-Oleum, a matte finish. You could use our salve or our 1 Hour Enamel Clear. Once you have that barrier, I'm going to take some black paint and put it on the wording on the tag and the banner, and then wipe it back with a microfiber cloth. And it's going to fill in the engraved area that says Happy Mother's Day. And now we have the heart, which can be the center of your scrolly piece, and I'm just doing mine in Snow Owl. You're going to have several options regarding the center of that heart, and I will show you that in a little bit. I'm going to first start by gluing my parts together, and I'm going to take this U-shaped piece and glue it to the back of my tag, and then add that Higgins Lake, that square, and that's where your gift card is going to be held. Then I'm going to glue the little round piece to where the hole for the tag goes, where you're going to put your hanger. And I decided to just clean up my edges with the Higgins Lake and fill that all in. Before I continued. So this is one of your options. You can do your glue your heart down and then glue your banner. My banner says Best Grandma Ever. And then another option can be, I printed out a picture of my grandkids, and I'm going to take one of the photos using my scrolly heart for sizing and cutting out one of the faces, and then I'm going to decoupage it to my tag. And again, this is the second option. You can either do the solid heart or you can put a photo in that area. I'm using my 1 Hour Enamel Clear to decoupage it to my tag, and then I'm just taking the opportunity to use the 1 Hour Enamel as a final top coat on the rest of my tag. Then I'm going to glue my little scrolly trimmed out heart to the edges of my photo, and then you're just going to add a hanger. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your purchase, and have a happy Mother's Day. If you have not received this tag, you can purchase this at chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.